Good morning. It is my Saturday morning routine to come out and check on the garden. I'm getting it ready. What is that? My lips are shining. Getting it ready for the fall. Just showing off my new braid style, y'all. Wait a minute. Okay, my edge is okay. Ooh, Jesus. Getting old. Girl need the edges. So, came out to check on my compost first and put some shredded paper in there from all of our bills or whatever. Gonna put that in the compost and mix it around. Come on, let's go. Okay, apparently, as you can see, I have not turned my compost in a while, and something is growing in here. And whatever this something is looks good. Interesting. Don't know what to do at this point. Just gonna chop it up and mix my paper in it. And with that project is done. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tell others about this channel. Why? Because we're spreading joy around here, y'all, and turning compost. Bye. Happy gardening.